Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by computer systems. It's when a machine is capable to mimic at least one aspect of human behavior in such a way that is equivalent or almost indistinguishable from that of a human. Today, we have many examples of narrow AI. That's when a system does one task extremely well. For example, detect faces in video streams, or recognize license plates on toll roads, or understand voice commands. Many industries can take advantage of AI, and all of them will be disrupted by AI. At HPE, we help them to take advantage of AI by providing optimized infrastructure and help them to define the required software stack.